Going to finish my graduation this year. I am going to fill in the forms. No, that wasn't her. That was Patricia Arquette, who won for Boyhood. Yeah, I think we all would like to say that, but honestly, we have something called a market price in our country. I don't know how it works in the corporate sector. If it's a market price, like for example, if I open a film at a certain amount, it does not make economic sense for the producer to give me the same price as a lead actor of the same category, because if he opens a Friday, for example, Ranbir Kapoor opens to a 10 crore Friday, and I don't. Right? I opened to a way more significantly less number. But my films are made in a certain budget and I'm paid a certain way so that the business people, including my sister, can recover the money. So it's actually mathematics. And I feel, at least in the film industry, I will get paid the price that I ask for if the returns are what is expected. I cannot expect my brands to pay. I know my brands or whoever I'm associated with pay me what my market price is. So it's what I bring back to the brand. There's not that much unfairness in India. I don't think so.
Woman brings to the table. So
what anybody brings.
Individual brings.
I know a lot of male actors who don't earn as much as I do.
So it's similar.
It's a fact. Yeah. I'm not going to talk about it. It's very tacky to talk about money, but I just wanted to make it clear. But yes, a Dolly Ki Doli and a Khoobsurat open to a certain Friday. So I can only bring in that much. Hopefully when my market grows, so will my price. So that's how it works.
हाँ, बहुत ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं जो पढ़ाई अधूरी करके फिर वो इधर उधर लग जाते हैं अपने काम में. तो आपके हिसाब से एक स्टडी कंप्लीट करना कितना ज़रूरी है और उससे आगे उनको क्या क्या फ़ायदे हो सकते हैं, ये बताइए.
ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मेरे लाइफ में मेरे लाइफ में कोई रिग्रेट्स नहीं होने चाहिए, पर मेरी सबसे बड़ी ये रिग्रेट है कि मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट की नहीं. और इस साल I am going to finish my graduation this year. I am going to fill in the forms and I'm going to get my undergraduate degree in literature, etc., etc. And for me, it's one of those things that I regret the most, because the people who I meet who are educated, way more educated, I might be more well-read than they are, but they're way more educated than I am. And for me, that's always a deterrent. I feel like I could have learned so much more. I feel like I could have been wiser where my work was concerned. Everybody says, but did you use those math equations at work? But that applied logic might not be something that I'm using directly, but that logic is something that I might use in maybe looking at my contracts, or it's just logic. It's discipline. It's having the patience to read. It's like, for example, as an actor, you need to do homework. You need to wake up in the morning and by heart your lines. In the evening, you need to come back and you have to do homework. ये सारा discipline हमें college और school में ही मिलता है. Research करना, ये सब करना. It's so important, and I stopped studying in the 12th. I got my graduation, bilingual diploma, etc., etc. सब बहुत खुश थे. और मैं आई और मैं एक्ट्रेस बन गई. मैं 4 साल और वेट कर सकती थी, पर you're so hungry to do something with your life, it happens. And at that time also a lot of people said, no, finish your education. It's only inside you to do that. But my advice is to all the young people out there, finish your education. I regret it, and you will regret it 10 years, 15 years, 20 years down the line.
Well, these last 3 answers of yours were great. Not that you were answering it, but that's what's needed. In our country, discipline is what is lacking. And the more we go ahead, the lack of discipline, this is because of education. And everybody wants to do something without being educated. And it's not like yourself, who were trained abroad, who had certain background and were looking for more. Here is a question of, you want to do this, just go ahead. You don't have to need any education. Yeah. And that is where the indiscipline rises. And then it goes on, and 90% of the people, and those, I don't have to say it, but our country depends on those people even to vote. And that is where we go wrong.
That is so very unfortunate. And for example, in our industry, our films are in Hindi. Okay, we speak Hindi, but like most of us don't even speak Hindi properly. So it's just about educating yourself. It's about learning your craft. For example, if you're a journalist, study journalism. Do this. There are a lot of people who just, or you're getting into a corporate. There are lots of things. We are a country of our biggest asset is the people in our country. We have like a ridiculous population. We have the kind of talent that we can take over the world. We can become a superpower, and that only comes with education, discipline, and focus. And if that is there, I feel like nobody, especially with women, since we're talking about women, I think women have, we will be given opportunities if we work hard enough, think hard enough, and and want to do something more with our lives besides get married and have a picket fence with 2.5 children. So it's really, really, really important when you've been given the opportunity to use that opportunity, grab that opportunity and do more with your life. I think so. So please, young people out there, just do something.